walking in some direction. Althea told me upon scrutiny that my back might need protection. I told Althea that treachery is tearing me limb from limb. Althea told me, now cool down, boy, settle back, easy, Jim. You may be Saturday's child, all grown, moving with a hinge of grace. It may be a cloud in the burying ground, or just another pretty face. It may be the fate of a feeling, sleeping and perchance to dream, honest to the point of recklessness, self-centered to the extreme. Ain't nobody messing with you but you. Your friends are getting most concerned. Loose with the truth, baby, it's your fight. Baby, don't get burned. But when the smoke has cleared, she said, that's what she said to me. Gonna wanna beg to lay your head and a little sympathy. There are things you can't replace, and others you cannot. The time has come to weigh those things. This space is getting hot. You know this space is getting hot. I told Alfie I'm a roving son, and I was born to be a bachelor. Althea told me, okay, that's fine. So now